Alright, so as far as the Ducky 1-2 Mini all white right here, I mean, this thing is crisp. It is sharp. If you've watched my other review again on the Ducky 1-2 Mini right there, if you haven't, go check it out, you know? But anyways, I love this board. I really do. Yeah, the price is high. And is there better out there for the price? Probably, but I really love this board. I really do. It just feels really nice. Yeah, there's a little bit of flex right there. That's the one thing I don't like about it. But as far as the sound and the feel, I mean, this thing sounds and feels absolutely fantastic. Again, you get that sound test over in that other video and everything, but I usually keep mine in solid red right here as my setup. As you can see, it's black, white, and red, and it just looks so crisp. I really like this board. And in the all white right here, even if you use that rainbow effect, it looks so solid. I think the Ducky has to have one of the crispest RGBs we have seen. But can someone tell me why I keep getting pink keycaps with my Duckies? With the black and white one, I got the pink ones. With the white one, I got pink ones. I don't want pink keycaps. But hey, everyone, thank you so much for stopping by and watching this one. Again, just kind of unbox and showcase of the all-white Ducky 1-2 Mini here. Again, as I stated multiple times, if you want a review on it, I'll leave that link right down in the description so you can actually check out the review of the board right there. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this one. I highly appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for some future tech videos. I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye now.